Welcome everybody, this is your boy Dryder Mataroa and we are here with another video. Like always, if you like the video, smash that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe for more content, and we're going to get straight into the video. Welcome back everybody. Before we do get straight into the video, I would like to give a big shout out and thank you to the supporters of this YouTube channel. A big shout out to CrazyBoss V31, Weez GNZ Gaming, and even MaoriSupermanYT. Now these people are our YouTube members on our YouTube platform, and I would like to give a big shout out and thank you for their support. So why don't you go inside my description below and go and check them out. And we're going to get straight into the video. Now this video is all about on how to code your own embed with buttons for your Discord bot. So make sure that you guys do listen and listen very carefully, and now just follow these steps. I may not speak, but I will try and speak as well. So let's get started. If you don't have a Discord command handler, then I will leave one inside my description below. You will need to go inside my Discord server to go and get one. Go to your repo, then go to your commands folder. Then now you can choose any folder that you want. I'm going to do it inside my owner folder. Now create a new file. You can name your file whatever you want. I'm going to name my file noob.js. Now as you can see, this file is completely clean. Now let's start coding. Now what we are going to be adding inside our code, okay, is we need to add the component requirements. Then we will need to make the embed and even the buttons. So the first thing that we got to do is the requirements. So const message client message embed message action row. Now lastly, message button, and then our equals require discord.js. Now line 3, module.exports equals, now we need to create a name. Now this is the name of your command, which is noob. This is optional. You can add a description if you want to. It's totally up to you. Now we need to run the bot. Client message and out. Equals. Now what we need to do is that we need to do the action row. Okay, so const row equals new message action row dot add components. Now we need to define the message button. New message button. And now let's go into the button. Set custom ID. Now the custom ID that I'm going to be using is random. Set label. Now the label is the name on your button. I'm going to say push me. Now set style is the color of your button. Danger. Now I like danger because danger is red. Now this is optional, but this is for the emoji. The emoji that I'm going to use for now is the green one over here. Copy that and paste it inside here. Now technically we have finished creating a new button, and this is the button over here. Now we need to go and create an embed. So let's go create our embed. Now we need to define the embed. Const embed equals new message embed, and then let's do that. So now what we need to do is that we are going to add a title and color and description, and then that's it. I'm not going to do the whole thing, otherwise it's going to make the video really long. Okay, so let's go and do set title, and our title is down here. I can just type it, but doing it this way is much easier. And I'm going to say add title here, and now let's go and do another one. Set color, and I'm going to add the color, which is that I'm going to do the hex color, and the hex color is FF0000. Now that is red. And now let's go and add a description. Set description, and now I'm just going to say add text here. That's all that I'm going to say. And then after that, we have basically finished with that now. And yeah, you guys can add whatever you want. Okay, there's more things that you can add. You can add photo, images, URL, but I'm going to leave it like that. Now once you have finished with that, let's go over here, and now we need to do the message dot channel dot send, and now we need to send the content, and the content is hello. And now after that, we need to do the I don't know how to pronounce it, but do this. And we need to make that true. And then after that, do embeds, because we got embeds over here. And then after that, components, which is the components over here. Oh shoot, sorry. Components, then ROW, which is row, and now let's go and make this a little bit prettier because it looks lame. There you go. And there you go. And then there you go. And then there you go, components. And then action row. There you go. And then press enter right there. Now that looks pretty, eh? Now, what we need to do now is that we need to do a permission. Now what I mean permission is if anybody pushes your button, it will say do not push this button. So let's go and add that in. Okay, so const filter equals interaction const filter interaction and then after that we need to do an if statement. ID and return that to true, and then return the to enter dot reply, and then now we need to add the content. Now we're going to say you cannot use this button, and then that's that done. And now we have done the permission. Now what we need to do to send the content out, okay, inside a button, is that we need to define the collector. So to define the collector, we need to do const collector equals message dot channel dot create message component collector. Now make sure that it's all in one line, and then now we need to add the filter max, and then add that in. Now let's make this a little bit prettier, and then now go like that, and then like that, back one. Now to create the last one, okay, we need to do this. Collector, there you go, collector dot on, collector dot on, and now we need to end the command, and then button interaction, and then after that we need to define the ID. So const ID equals button interaction dot first dot custom ID. We need to do the custom ID first. sorry guys, we need to do the custom ID. So button interaction dot first dot custom ID, and then after that go enter. Now we need to do the last if statement. So if ID equals to the ID is over here. Now the ID is the custom ID, which is random, so we need to type random, and then after that we need to return it. Return button interaction dot first dot reply, and then now hello world. Oh shoot, sorry. And then that's it, and I think we're done. Yep. Now before we do finish off, we need to do these brackets, okay, because it's really important that you must complete the whole thing. And now there you go, we have finished creating our own embed with button. So once you have finished with that, make sure that you go over this whole thing and make sure that you do check for spelling mistakes. Now I'm going to run the bot, and let's run it. If I do get errors, it is because of spelling mistakes. And now it's working. Let's go to our Discord server. Our bot is basically online. Now let's do the ping command. The reason why I always do the ping command, so I know if the bot is working. That's working. Now let's do the normal command, okay, which is the command that we need to do is noob. So let's type noob. And there we go. See? We got our own button there. We got push me button, and it's colored red, and we got an emoji there. Push me button, and the color is red, and we got the emoji right there. So let's go and push the button and see if that works. And then there we go, hello world. And that is what I said down the bottom. Over here is hello world. So that is how you guys code your own embed with button for your Discord bot. If you guys do need any help or assistance, then I'll be more than welcome to help you out on that. Don't forget that there is a Discord handler inside my description below. You will need to go and visit my Discord server, and then now you guys can get more assistance from there. If you guys do want this code, okay, so you can modify it, I am more than welcome to share it to you, but you will need to get it from our Discord server. So with that said, I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you guys did, please smash that like button and subscribe for more content and tutorials, and I'll see you all on my next video. Thank you for watching, peace, and I'm out.